Are you ready to jumpstart your career in machine learning but not sure where to look for jobs or internships? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Today I'm going to show you the top 5 websites that are gold mines for finding ML jobs and internships. Let's get you hired. Hello future ML engineers, I'm Srimanti and I help tech enthusiasts like yourself to break into the industry with the latest tips and resources. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you don't miss out on our essential updates. Now let's dive into the best websites to kickstart your machine learning career. First up is LinkedIn. Obviously, it's not just for networking. LinkedIn has become a crucial tool for job seekers in tech. It is a vast network of hiring managers, of recruiters, of similar fellow ML enthusiasts and team members. Do try to network with people, do try to network with similar ML engineers and try to increase your network. There are so many jobs that are cool on LinkedIn, but I would say do not use LinkedIn jobs to search for them because those are mostly ghost jobs. Always try to see whenever people are hiring with LinkedIn posts. You know that it will be urgent, it will be within 1 or 2 days. And if they like your resume, if you are one of the first few applicants, then you will be able to get that ML job. I post on LinkedIn opportunities that I come across regularly, and I would encourage you to follow me on LinkedIn so that you can apply to as many ML jobs and internships as you want, and one of them will definitely lead to an ML job. Make sure your profile on LinkedIn is up to date with all the new experiences, with new achievements, new projects, and everything, because in 99.99 of the cases, recruiters will definitely go on LinkedIn to check up your profile when you're applying. Next up, we have Indeed.com. That's an excellent site for people who are struggling to find ML jobs, and it has a wide variety of jobs and wide variety of recruiters. Upload your resume there and then use terms like machine learning, data scientist, AI engineer to find relevant jobs. And also check out the company reviews as well to check out what other employees are telling you about the company. And that brings to my next point, Glassdoor. You might think that Glassdoor is like only for knowing salaries and knowing for company reviews, but no, Glassdoor also gets you an idea of which companies are hiring. You can see if there are anonymous reviews of people who are doing interviews at the moment and they're uploading the interview experiences. So then you can know that that company is hiring and you can apply too. So that is why it's very important to have an idea of the company, the reviews of the company. And the reviews, I can tell you, since Glassdoor has anonymous reviews, the reviews are almost, most of the time, they are quite accurate. So do use that to have an idea of the company and of what roles the company is hiring for and what kind of work you are going to do there, whether it aligns with your interests or not. Next comes startups. So next comes Wellfound. So Wellfound is an extremely important, cool website that has so many tech startups listed there, and they always post jobs there. So you can go on there if you're interested in startups, and I would say startups are an excellent way to gain hands-on experience. I'm in a startup myself, and I can tell you that the work there is a lot, and this is very, very interesting. So I would encourage you to go on and apply in startups. And AngelList or Wellfound is the go-to for that. It's perfect for finding ML jobs at emerging tech companies. Often you can apply directly with your resume, and you can also know about the salary ranges and reviews, etc. Last but not the least, Kaggle competitions. Kaggle did used to have a job board, but now it does not have it that anymore. But you can engage with a community of like-minded people, and that can do wonders. And if you are building a network, that network will always help you till the end of your life, to help you get jobs whenever you are stuck, to help you with projects, for collaborations, for friendships, and so on and so forth. Participating in competitions, for example, an excellent example would be Amazon ML Challenge, which will help you to catch the eye of the recruiters and also help you to improve your skills. There you have it, the top 5 websites to help you find your next machine learning job or internship. Every platform has its unique strengths and weaknesses, but I would say if you're ready with your fundamentals, you should go out there and to maximize your chances, apply on all 5. I'll also be uploading the internship and job calendar that is very important for ML jobs, and also some more ML videos will be upcoming soon, some projects and all. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe for more such videos. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or share your experiences on these platforms. Good luck with your job hunt, and I'll see you in the next video.